Hello everyone, I'm Andrea Taini, founder of Multiversum. I'm here to show you a new feature of our technology, of Multiversum, the revolutionary blockchain that will be the standard for decentralized application. This new feature we added is the multinode. So from today we are a real blockchain. That means that all our records are blocked and all our blocks are really confirmed by hash. Besides that, we are decentralized, so we have multiple nodes in which we conserve all the data of the ledger. This means a big step through our roadmap because from now we can start also test nets to test a single projects. And the next steps will be to make proof of integrity, that in this phase is just very dumb. Let me show you. We have a message broker that is MTMQ. We will substitute it with probably MQTT because it will be much more efficient, but for this version is enough. And we can see that we have no topic, no queue, and no listener of the messages. So now we launch 3 nodes. We launch them locally, but it's everyone is in his own Java virtual machine, and they communicate not through HTTP but through message broker. So it is just like they are in 3 different continents from the logical point of view. So we are launching our application, our 3 nodes, and when the node finish to load, a moment please, we can launch our application. So our application is a car registry, and while it loads, I show you a couple of things. What means developing with Multiversum? Developing with Multiversum means developing like every other application, and our programmers can be normal programmers without any knowledge of blockchain, because they just have to add a dependency in the configuration file, so with 5 lines. And while they write entities, so that Java class that will become automatically records in a database, tables in a database, instead of writing only entity, they have to extend with chainable capabilities. These are our libraries, and they have to write at data root in order to make the system know that this field must be included in those fields that contribute to make the hash. This is just what a programmer need to know, that is different from standard Java programming. So it's very easy. It's 15 seconds learning curve. This is great because firm entities association will save a lot of money, finding very easy people that can work in blockchain from now. So we launched our application, and we can check that from now we have multiple queue in which these 3 nodes are connected and subscribed and receive messages. Now let's go to Swagger. Swagger is what programmers use to have knowledge of the interfaces of an application, and I won't show you the graphic user interface. I will just show you the REST interface that are the modern method of communicating between machines. So let's use vehicle controller, and we will insert a new car. So it is very easy for this interface, even if it is not a graphic user interface of the application. So we have to write the brand. We have to maintain crypto world tradition, so Lamborghini. The document, I will write my passport number, of course not the real one. The frame number is FR9876. It has 500 kilowatt. The model is custom for Pluto. I reserve after this work by night a custom car. We don't need the hash number because it is assigned automatically by the system. So this is the hash to confirm the previous record. The plate number, I want also my Pluto for president plate. The registration date is the actual time. Root hash, we don't need it. It's another control field to confirm all the chain, and the transaction is just something that will be assigned by the system too. So with this data, we will execute it, and let's see what happened in the node. No, I didn't. Sorry, execute. Oh, we already have. We have a problem. Okay, so you can see that is not just graphic. We kept an exception because I forgot to cancel the comma. So let's execute it, and all the free node execute all the instruction, search for hashes, confirmation, check the data, and insert 3 records, because here we inserted 3 records. Even if we have only one insertion, we inserted the vehicle, the document, so we created new document, and we created a new plate. So we received as result the own hash of a record, of a main record of course, and the transaction hash that will be saved in main chain as confirmation of that happened. Now we want to ask to search our car always from the REST interface. So we do from it try in vehicles search through the plate. No, it's not custom Pluto. It's Pluto for president. Okay, Pluto for president. Execute. And as before, all the node. Okay, we have finished it. It's fast. We have answer. So frame number, Lamborghini, custom for Pluto, the registration number, Pluto for president, and the own hash that is 4E6, and we can check that it's just the same here. Well, it works, and we can also ask directly from the browser. And we receive just the same result. This is what we have done till now. We expected to achieve this result only in early 2019, but it's the end of July, and we made miracle. So this is demonstration that we are using very well the fonts you gave to us, and we are making a serious work. And just cross finger for us, because this weekend with our demos it will be very important for the success of our project. So Thank you for your attention, and stay connected, because Multiversum is here to stay.